In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate a video in Capcut Mobile completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, step 1 is to open up Capcut Mobile. And once Capcut Mobile has been opened and loaded, you want to click the fourth option here, Video Translator. Click the plus icon, upload the video that you like to translate on Capcut Mobile. You can choose to translate the English from the desired new language, and then once you're happy or satisfied, click Translate. Capcut Mobile is currently going to process the video that you would like to translate. This may or may not take some time, so be patient. If you get this warning message, then click Try Again, and then wait for this to load. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.